Here's a head-to-head look at the 2026 Honda Prelude versus the 2026 Subaru BRZ, two of the most talked-about budget sports cars making a comeback. 2026 Honda Prelude. Overview and powertrain. Honda's revived Prelude returns as a hybrid-only coupe, pairing a 2.0L engine with twin electric motors, delivering around 200 to 207 horsepower in a front-wheel drive layout. It utilizes a CVT transmission enhanced by S+ shift to simulate gear changes for driver engagement. Price and positioning. Expected to start at about $30,000 to $32,000 USD, with mid-range models around $35,000 and high trims possibly reaching $38K. In some markets, pricing may reach around Yen 4.24.5 M, $27K, $29K. Driving dynamics and chassis. Shares key structural and suspension hardware from the Civic Type R. Dual-axis front suspension, wider track, and Brembo brakes, but tuned for a more compliant ride. Adaptive dampers and multiple drive modes, Eco, Sport, Individual, help balance performance with comfort. Interior and features. Interior blends Civic and Acura Integra luxury cues, with digital gauge cluster, tablet-style touchscreen, higher-grade materials, push-button gear selector, and available paddle shifts. 2026 Subaru BRZ. Overview and powertrain. Part of the second-generation BRZ lineup, the 2026 model retains a 2.4-liter boxer engine, offering around 228 horsepower and 184 lb-ft torque, paired with either a 6-speed manual or automatic, driving the rear wheels. Price and availability. Launch expected in fall 2025, with base models starting around $30,495, premium trim. Fully optioned SDI variants approach $35,000 - Driving dynamics and chassis. Known for its lightweight, well-balanced chassis, the BRZ offers nimble, analog handling thanks to RWD layout and boxer engine low center of gravity, perfect for fun backroad driving or weekend track days. Verdict: which is the king of budget sports cars? If your priority is responsible fuel economy, tech-rich interior, and comfortable everyday driving, the Prelude offers a refined, premium alternative to pure sports cars, starting in the low 30s price range. If you crave driver engagement, shifting control, rear-wheel thrill, and a car built around analog fun, the BRZ shines with its lightweight layout, manual transmission, and dynamic chassis prowess. Both cars target similar price brackets and sporty appeal, but with very different philosophies. Prelude, modern hybrid, FWD Tourer Sport. BRZ, traditional RWD sports coupe, manual-friendly and visceral. Additional notes and enthusiast insights. Honda's decision to forego a manual gearbox in the Prelude disappointed some purists. Enthusiast responses vary from excitement to concern over simulated shifting. Enthusiasts on forums debate that the Prelude may end up costing closer to $40,000 once options and dealer markups are factored in. Final thought. Both the 2026 Honda Prelude and 2026 Subaru BRZ redefine what a budget sports car can be in 2026, but in different ways. The Prelude leans modern, efficient, and tech-forward, while the BRZ stays true to analog sports car roots. Your pick boils down to whether you value hybrid efficiency and comfort or traditional fun-focused driving. The king of budget sports cars title is subjective and depends on what you value most. The Subaru BRZ is the choice for the driving enthusiast. Its rear-wheel drive layout and available manual transmission offer an unfiltered, engaging, and pure sports car experience. It's a car built for the driver who wants to feel connected to the road and prioritize handling over raw power.